Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm doing something quite different for my channel. This is a first for me. I'm actually collabing with another YouTuber here. Her name is Kayla and she is so sweet. I really love watching her videos. We have very similar content and she's just really fun to watch. So we decided to collab and both do our own looks using the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. Please don't mind the eyelash. I can tell that it looks weird, as you'll find out in the video. I really don't do falsies, and this whole point of this video was for me to step out of my box. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I did one eye off camera just to figure out what I'm going to do, and now that I did, I think that it looks pretty cool. I've never done like glitter in the crease like that, but I thought for this look, since I'm stepping out of my box a little bit, that it would be neat to do. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did to this eye on this eye. My base is done, my lid is primed with just my foundation and concealer, and I set it with the shade Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette, which is the feature of this video. So let me try to zoom you in a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to try to, have you be able to see as much as possible. So the first thing I did was I took just a fluffy crease brush, and I took Buon Fresco, and dusted that all into the crease. And I am focusing it, I'm building it higher because I am going to do like a cut crease kind of thing. So I want to focus the shadows and build them up higher. Okay. Alright, so now I'm taking a different crease brush and I'm taking the shade Cypress Umber. And I'm going to be putting that through the crease and on the outer corner as well. Alright, one thing I do want to do is I want to take my translucent powder technique and clean up this edge just a little bit because it's not as clean as the other one. So next I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer and my concealer brush, and I'm just going to clean up the lid area and kind of cut the crease. So now that our base, when it's still sticky, I'm going to take my finger and dip into the shade Antique Bronze. And I'm just going to pack that on the areas I put the concealer, which is my entire lid. And now I will take a flat shader brush so I can get in the more precise areas. Now that we have the base shades set down, it's looking a little crazy when I do this, but I'm going to take my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in the shade Glam Rock, and I'm just going to, as you see, put that as a line separating the two shadows basically into the crease. It's going to be a little hard for you guys to see because I'm going this way. while we let this settle, I am going to take my Deck of Scarlet liner, and I'm just going to do a tiny little baby wing. So as you guys see, we have the glitter focused in the crease, so when you open the eye, you don't really see it as much, but then, you know, just a little bit of something in the crease. I have never done anything like this before, but so when me and Kayla were talking about this video idea, we decided that I should do more something outside of my box, and she was going to stick with a more neutral look. I have not seen her look. I'll be seeing it at the same time you guys are, so I'm super excited about that. And she has not seen my look either, and I did not tell her exactly what I would be doing. One thing I am going to do is I'm just going to touch up the area above the crease a little bit, taking that Cypress Umber shade that we stuck in the crease on the brush and just kind of blending it up a little bit. Alright, and then now I do want to touch up the glitter again now that it's dried. Just add a little bit more, focusing mainly on the inner part of the eye. Okay, and then the brow bone, I'm just taking a little flat shader brush and taking the shade Vermeer. And I will be sticking that for the brow bone. Then for our lower, hold on. I feel like this one spot is like not blended. I feel like this always happens where like on camera it looks unblended, but then in person it looks fine, so it's a little tricky. Anyway, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take that first shade we used, Bon Fresco, and take it on a smaller fluffy crease brush and just dust that all across the lower lash line. Then I will take a pencil brush and take that Cypress Umber shade and press that a little closer to the lash line. And now I'm going to take some of my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner and put that in the waterline and tightline. Now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara and coat the lashes. Okay, so this is what the look looks like with just regular mascara. I really like the glitter detailing that I did because, you know, like this, you don't really see it, but then, you know, in the right lighting and you have your eyes closed, people can see it. One last thing I need to do is add on this inner corner, I'm just going to take again that Vermeer shade and just stick that right in the inner corner. And that just brightens it up a bit. So again, this is what it looks like with just mascara on. I think I'll try the lashes. At first I was thinking that it was going to kind of just take away like from the whole eye look, but I might as well try it and see what it looks like with them. I'm probably just going to fast forward through this part because it could take me a million years to get these on. I will be using the Duo Lash Glue. So here's what we're looking like with these lashes. I don't think I did the best job at applying these, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what they look like. These are actually the Kiss lashes in the style Teddy, I believe. They're a lot more extreme than I was thinking. It almost looks uneven with my lower lash line, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you what it looked like with them. I don't ever usually do falsies, so I think this one's like messed up, and then this one It's not the same, but it's okay. So all we have left now is the lips, and I'm going to use the shade Jeffrey Who from Jeffree Star's new holiday collection. This maybe wasn't the best lip choice, but we're gonna go with it. And let me zoom you guys out so you can get a look at the whole thing. Alright, so this is what the look looks like. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. It was really fun to step out of my comfort zone for this look. That was the whole point. I really do like the glitter. I think I prefer this look not with these lashes. These lashes, like I said, are a bit more extreme than I was thinking they would be. And I didn't really, not the best with lashes, but the whole point was to step out of my comfort zone. So that is what I did. And I will show you guys a close-up. Alright guys, so this was such a fun video to do with Kayla. I will link her channel and her video to this collab in the description box, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed, you know, watching both of our takes, you know, on this Modern Renaissance palette and seeing the different looks that we created. I think this look was pretty easy to achieve. I only needed a few shadows, and the glitter makes it totally just something different than what I do every day. So I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I hope you guys don't mind it with the lashes, even though they look a little crazy, and I feel like I have like caterpillars on my eyes right now. But it was still super fun to do, and I hope that me and her can do another one in the future. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, please comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel and Kayla's channel. I would really appreciate it if you do, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.